Hello, and welcome to Rust Legacy, a video game that was available from Christmas time 2013 to Christmas time 2016, distributed through Steam, and created and developed by Facebook Studios. This is a packing video on how to organize a base as small as possible. These are the main deployables people use. In fact, I've included one just simply to see how much crap I can pack into a small space. So here we go. First off, we have the repair bench, which we can access if we go over here and tap, and you can see the repair bench. Okay, all right. And then we can go down here and go look in the fire pit, and we can access that. Over here we have our furnace accessible, and it appears we can access the triple box or large storage box. If we go forward, you can also see that we're within workbench range. So we can do all of our work here as a work area or workstation and have potentially a larger area over here available. And to push it as far as I could, I used the one deployable people hate building under, and some servers won't let you build under it at all, and that is the spiral staircase made of wood. There's also a metal equivalent that may have different rules and regulations and collision holes and whatever. This is the one I know of that you can definitely get under in most cases. If only the if only the ramp was built that way so we could use them as true ceilings. Anyway, and then of course we have our sleeping bag. Anyway, this is just an example of how to do this. Now the things I took advantage of are that the repair bench, even though I don't even use it, I did include it because I was able to because I'm running a server off of my hard drive. All of these things pack into this kind of space very tightly. The advantage with the large storage box is that you can access its search tab just by looking at it from the top. You don't have to worry about it being unavailable when you look down with one of the small boxes, and it gives you 3 boxes worth of stuff packed in a much more efficient way. And the other thing is, because its collision hull ends about where the edge of the workbench clips into it, it works really well that way. There are other methods for doing this. I'm sure that there are better methods, but this is the method I've been using, and it seems to work really, really well. It requires that you press the large box against the wall as tightly as possible, then put the workbench over here, whatever angle you can will be fine. If you flip it around the other way, it becomes even harder, even easier to put in and nicer. And then just put the furnace there, or put it over there where the workbench is, or repair bench, excuse me, and you're fine and dandy. There are apparently other deployables depending on what server you're on for other hacks and modifications, but that's a video of another kind. This is about all the standard deployables within the game. That's about it. Just a quick video on how to do a pack up of your base in Rust Legacy based on the Rust Island 2013 non-procedural map. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. Bye.